Today I have a super basic, easy recipe for you. I'm going to show you how to make potato waffles. Super awesome. It's a fun way to eat a potato. Start with a medium to small potato. You don't want to use a really large one. If you do, you're going to need to cut that in half. And then we're going to just put a little bit of some holes in here. All right, and now we want to soften this potato, and you have a couple ways that you can do it. You can boil it in boiling water for several minutes until it's soft. You can put it in the microwave for 6 to 8 minutes until it's really soft. You can also bake it for 50 minutes to an hour until it's really soft. We just want to get this really soft. All right, so you choose. I'm gonna just throw this in the microwave, and I'll be back when it's nice and soft. All right, that potato is very nice and soft. Very fork tender here. I'm just gonna poke some extra holes in there, and it's just gonna help it flatten it out when it goes in the waffle iron, okay? And now I want to spray it with some olive oil, or you could use like avocado oil. This is gonna help it crisp up and give it a little bit of flavor. Now let's do some salt, some pepper, and then I'm just gonna move this around just so it can get nice and seasoned. All right, this is my trusty professional restaurant style waffle iron. I've had this for 15 years or so. I don't even think they make this model anymore, but the type of waffle iron doesn't matter. Try to get like the Belgian style, the thick, heavy duty waffle iron if you can. All right, just open that up. I preheated the waffle iron. I'm gonna just spray it a little bit with some oil. And then I'm just gonna take that potato, pretty simple. We're gonna put it right there in the middle. And now we're just gonna smash that potato down. Also, I wanna mention, you can peel or not peel that potato. It's totally up to you. Now I'm gonna just turn that over. Got a little residue of oil from the last time I used it there. Nice. Clean that up. And now we just cook this until it browns and gets crispy. Really easy. It'll take 5 to 7 minutes, depending on how crispy you want it. All right, time is up. Nice. Listen to that crispiness, crunchiness. Nice. Now I'm just gonna remove this. Show you that other side. Nice and crispy, look at that. Awesome. I'm just gonna put it on a plate with a couple of eggs, and then you can serve it however you want. Again, I have it with a couple of eggs, and then I'm going to do a little bit of ketchup. You could do like sour cream and green onion on there, bits of bacon and cheese. Let's just do a little bit of ketchup. Boom. Well, there you go. Super easy potato waffle, a fun way to eat a potato. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. Thumbs up, down in the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive in this. Oh yeah. Hear that crunch? Yeah.